So one thing that many of you guys have asked me about is my skincare routine. So I want to share with you guys a few products that I've been using a lot lately and I feel like I've seen really good results from. So Glow Beauty had sent me a box of like some of their newest products, and of course I'll try anything. So I started with their Phytoactive Cream Cleanser, and I use this probably every morning or at night before bed. It really gets rid of your makeup. It's supposed to remove impurities and prepares your skin for all the products that you put on each day. And I really love it. It's light. I have sensitive skin, and I've had no issues with it. It's really good, and I feel like it's also kind of moisturizing. All right, the second product I've been using from Glow is their Phytoactive Light Moisturizer. So this is great after you clean your skin. It's super lightweight. It's good for daytime. I definitely use a heavier cream for night, but for the day, you just want something light and easy. So this works great. What else does it have in it? It's just a weightless moisturizer, and it just kind of glides on, but you can see how sensitive my skin is. Just with touch, turns red like right away. The other thing that I'm really loving, because I feel like my skin gets very dry in the winter, so this Daily Hydration Plus, which is hyaluronic acid, and it's just a serum, and you can use it once a day, and I don't know, it's been awesome. And I feel like I've noticed a huge difference with this, because I was having like this weird dry patch between my eyebrows. So yeah, I just put this on after my moisturizer, and it goes on like really silky smooth, again, super easy, and it's not gonna be greasy or anything like that. So that's my next step. All right, and then I typically do an under eye cream, which I've already applied because I'm very scary without under eye cream, so I did that first. Okay, the next one is the Glow Skin Beauty, and you can tell I've been using it. Combination Skin Moisturizing Tint with SPF 30. It's oil-free hydration, sun protection, and sheer color, and the color is medium. So I have, kind of medium skin. I'm not super fair. I don't burn easily. I do tan, but like I said, my skin is sensitive, and I really have to be careful with what I use. So it comes out in a pump, and actually this Glow brush, it's called the Flat Top Kabuki, is amazing for applying foundation. I literally just have started using a foundation brush, and I feel like it just makes the application so much easier and smoother. So I just squeeze a little bit onto the brush, and then I just kind of move it around in circles. Sorry, I'm gonna look in the mirror. It's just a little bit easier. But it goes on really nice, and it's just the right amount of coverage. I don't like super, super heavy foundation, especially for daytime. I just want enough to give my skin a nice even tone. And also having the SPF is huge because, now that I've been doing lasers and all this stuff to my skin, I want to keep it protected throughout the day. So it removes one less step of having to put sunscreen on yourself, which is good. So there it is. Like I said, you can add more too if you want to like build up the coverage a little bit, but I feel like a little bit definitely goes a long way. And the color again is medium. And then here, the last step is the finishing touch. And again, I have nothing on my eyebrows or on my lids yet. But okay, the last step is the Glow Beauty Pressed Base in Beige Medium. They had a ton of colors to choose from. They actually sent me a bunch of colors to try. And I feel like I could have gone with a few, but this was my favorite. So again, Beige Medium. So once I've applied the tinted moisturizer, this will just kind of even all of the skin out and give you more of a matte finish as opposed to like a dewy look. But if you like dewy, then you don't need to add the powder. But I feel like this just kind of sets the makeup and really gives it a more even tone. And you can carry this, obviously, in your purse. It comes with this little, pad, so you can carry it with you and touch up with throughout the day. It's literally just the tinted moisturizer and the powder. I haven't added anything else. I love it because I put it on, I'm out the door in just a few minutes with, I feel like, just the right amount of coverage. And I feel like the product is really a good one to use on your skin without all the harmful ingredients. So I'm going to link everything in the blog post below. So enjoy. Have a good weekend, everybody.